Hey, it's Brian, Chase, and Jake with the Midnight Mechanic. As you can see, it's a little bit rainy today, so that means baseball is canceled. So we decided we're going to come out and we're going to show you how to replace wheels and tires on Project Chore Money.
So one of the first things you need to make sure you have when you go to replace the wheels and tires is make sure you have the right tools. Now we have 3 different ways of doing it in the shop. First of all is regular old socket and a ratchet or a breaker bar. You just manually turn it off and then use your hands and go ahead and take care of it all.
Also, most difficult way to do it.
Right, because you have to use pure force. One of the other things that we have is a lug wrench. A lug wrench has 4 different size sockets on it for different size lugs for different wheels and tires and cars. So it's cheap, you can get them at any auto parts store, Walmart or anything like that. It's pretty handy to have in the shop. Now the other way is by using an impact gun.
The very easiest way.
Right. This is the easiest way because it's just a very powerful gun and it just buzzes the lugs right off. So, of course, this is what we're going to use.
So when you're ordering new wheels and tires for your car or for your trailer, you need to make sure that you're getting the right size. So every tire has a size on it, and you can see if you come down here on this, that you can see where the size of the tire is. So this is a 4.80 by 12, so that means the rim is a 12-inch rim. So what we had to do was we went and we ordered new tires and looked and made sure we got the same size tire. Now, the wheels on these were kind of rough, so we decided we were just going to get new ones because a lot of times, especially with trailer tires, it's cheaper to buy the wheel and the tire together as a package, and then you don't have to worry about getting them mounted or anything like that. So the thing you need to make sure of is you need to make sure that the bolt pattern is the same. So there's a lot of different lug patterns. There's 4 lugs, 5 lugs, 6 lugs, 8 lugs, and it kind of goes up from there for bigger trucks and stuff like that. The thing is they all have different patterns. So basically it's a circle, and that circle could be smaller or larger depending on the car. So it could be 4 3/4 circle with 5 lugs or something like that. So in order to make sure, it's very easy with 4 lugs because you just measure the distance between the holes. So we look here and we see that it's 4-inch. So we know that it's a 4-inch lug on a 4-inch circle. So when we went and looked, we ordered the same wheel and the same tire, and then we're good to go. So now that we have everything we need to go ahead and replace the wheel and tire, Jake is going to go ahead and put the jack under the axle of the trailer and jack it up until the tire is no longer touching the ground. Now you have to make sure that when you do that, that there's enough clearance to get the new wheel and tire on if the tire is flat like this. So we'll go ahead and make sure we get it all the way up, and then we'll go ahead and replace it. The other thing you need to be very careful with is once you take the wheel and tire off is to not get your feet or arms or any of your body in the way in case it falls off, that it doesn't crush anything.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram at the Midnight Mech. Alright, catch you guys next time. Peace.
If you don't have any of these, then you need to get your lazy bum off of your couch and actually get it.